Well, hello folks, it's Mike here. I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron, where everything is better in cast iron. And today, what we're going to make for you is a 3-meat chili. Not only is it going to be a 3-meat chili, but it's also going to be a 3-bean chili. We got black beans here, dark red kidney beans, and we got chili beans here. But what we're going to start out with, I've got some ground beef that I've been browning already. I've got some ground venison that I'm going to use, and I've got some ground pork I'm going to put in there. We're going to chop up an onion and get that going. Got a little minced garlic here that we're going to put in there with that. My special little ingredient here is Rotel. We're going to put a little bit of Rotel in there. Going to add a little tomato sauce, a little cumin, a little oregano, and of course naturally chili powder. And we're going to have some minced garlic. I don't know if I said that already, but then I'm going to add a little bit of beef broth in this with this. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and get started browning up this venison and pork, and get our onion chopped up and get our garlic in here, start getting this going. And we'll get all this put together here, and we'll come back here in a little bit and show you what all this looks like. So you guys hang on, okay? Well, all right, let's take a look at this. See what we got here. Oh yeah, that meat's cooking down. Got this in our Lodge 12-inch Dutch oven on the stove top today. Cooking this 3-meat chili and 3-bean chili for Cast Iron Wednesday. If you guys hadn't checked out Cast Iron Wednesday, you need to do so. Plenty of good recipes in there, but this month we're doing chili. And so I decided to do a 3-meat and 3-bean chili. So we're going to go ahead, that meat's cooked down. I'm going to go ahead and get these beans in here. Now, I'm not draining these. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But today, we are just going to put it all in there just as it is. So, put our Rotel in there. That's a neat little old ingredient right there. Put our dark red kidney beans in here. Oh, yeah. Put our chili beans in here. We'll have to have a little persuasion here for them. Oh yeah, them babies there is thick now. All right. Put us a little tomato sauce in there. Put me a little beef broth in there and kind of get the rest of that tomato sauce out. Now, we're going to add us about that much of cumin. And we're going to put a good heavy tablespoon of oregano. And we're going to put about, there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and 4.5 looks like. So, let me go ahead and add a little bit of beef broth to this also. Get this all stirred up here, mixed together. Man, there ain't nothing like Dutch oven chili now. I'm just telling you. If you don't have a Dutch oven, I highly recommend you do so. And I've got some links down in the description box there and the show more notes where I recommend it. But anyway, I also just want to get all this mixed together here. And I don't like it super thin. I like my chili kind of thick, so that looks like that's probably going to be just about enough broth. We'll come back and check that here in a little bit, but we've got all of our ingredients in here now. I'm just going to put the lid on here and let this come up to a boil, and then I'm going to turn the heat down and let it simmer for a little while, and we'll come back and show you what that looks like here in just a little bit. All right, well, it's been about 45 minutes, so I'm going to pull this off. We brought it up to a boil and then turned it down to a simmer. So, boy, look at that. Yeah, see, that added a little bit of juice to it. Cooking it in this old Dutch oven with a lid on it, so that's not too thin, not too thick. That's just about right. So, I'll tell you what we're going to do. I'm going to bowl up some of this, and what I like to do, I like to use these scoops. I put a few scoops down in my bowl like that right there. Get me some of this chili and pour on top of those scoops. Just like that right there. And then my next key ingredient is going to be some mild cheddar. Oh yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about right there. So there we have it, folks. There's 3 meat chili. We got ground beef, we got ground venison, and we've got ground pork in here. But not only do we have 3 meat, we also have 3 bean. We had black bean, we had chili bean, and dark red kidney beans. We chopped up an onion, sauteed that in there with it, added about a tablespoon of chopped garlic, minced garlic. We also put in a little bit of beef broth. We put some tomato sauce. We put a can of Rotel in there. And also I put, let's see, what else did I put in there? I put some cumin, about a tablespoon of cumin. I put about a tablespoon of oregano. And I put about 4.5 tablespoons of chili powder. And so there we have it. There's your 3 meat chili and 3 bean chili. So let's just see what this tastes like with some scoops and some cheese on it, huh? Mm-hmm. Wow. That is so good. So easy. Man, this only took me about an hour and a half. And it's going to be better tomorrow when everything sits in the refrigerator and marries up and everything. Everything's always better the second day, you know. But for a good little supper for me and Teresa tonight, we got 3 meat chili, 3 bean chili. So we just wanted to share that with you guys. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this. It's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron, and we'll be coming back to you soon. You guys have a great day. We'll see you. Bye-bye.